today's quick, unboxing real quick for you guys. You know, it ain't gonna be, nothing too long. That it's gonna bore y'all. This just a little quick unboxing for the thing that came in for the 2012 Chevy Impala. So I'm gonna start the unboxing for you guys. Just one box right here. It's one box right here. And it's another box for you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with the little box first, guys. We're gonna see what's up in here. Yeah, this is my first unboxing. So I'm up ahead right now by myself because my girlfriend, she ran out. Well, my old lady ran out. Did a quick little round real quick, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I don't know what it is up ahead though. I don't know what it is. But we finna find out today. Let's see, y'all. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is, guys. Oh, you gotta check it out. Gotta check it out. Let's see what it is. We finna see what's up in here. I haven't even checked it out, so hey, I'm doing it with y'all. That was just one take then. Woo. I'm so happy. I'm like a child when they first get their Christmas gift. Look. See, I wanted to do the at the market one, at the market grill, but I didn't want to do it because I got some things that I I got in mind with the regular factory grills. So I ain't gonna go at the market. This the factory though. This the top piece of the grill top. Yeah, this one of them. I'm gonna figure out what's up with that. It's the second box, guy. I'm almost through. I didn't want to make the video too long. Just want to give y'all a little glimpse of what came in for the call up. Y'all been checking out my latest videos, man. Y'all see what was missing on the Impala. Y'all been checking out my latest videos, but if y'all haven't, please make sure y'all go back and check out my latest video. To all my new subscribers and people that's watching. So like I say, if y'all haven't seen the latest video, please go back and check it out. But I think this the lower part of the grill. I'm not too for sure. I haven't opened it either. See, it's still taped up. Never been open. But we can open it today, guys. 3 pieces of tape? Oh, more than 3. Okay. Woo. Look what up. Woo. Bad game. I'm in here. I'm back. This that lower part. Yeah. I'm back. Big faces. Big face. Big face coming through there. Watch this. Keep it just like this. Big face. Honeycomb. You see the honeycomb. Y'all call these the honeycomb joints. Yeah, big face is coming back. Mm-hmm. Thought I'll stop. No. No. Hold on, my fault. Ooh, I'm scared. Kind of get the groan. Uh, pop out all day. Who playing? I'm not playing. I'm finna put this joint together. Y'all thought I was asleep? Nope. I'm back. Yeah, that's what came in, guys. So, from the end of the video, give y'all one more glimpse of how it look. Yeah, give y'all one more glimpse of how it look. My fault, guys. My fault. Hopefully y'all can see the glimpse. Come on. Phone gotta go get fixed. But I'm gonna still do what I can do for y'all. So yeah, this was the lower part of the whole face. Big grill. But from the end of this video though, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bring out another video.